All right, red group for November 9th week. You are the red group. Let's first of all read the words, and then we will look at the columns we need to put them in. Prune, bump, tooth, grunt, built, crude, suit, cute, flute, build, bruise, plus, spoon, cruise, bloom, skunk, trust, smooth, juice, mule, and moon. Now you should have heard a lot of sounds as well as u sounds or oo sounds. When you have a consonant vowel consonant, it's most likely going to give the sound, like in crust. When it's a consonant vowel consonant with an E at the end, it's going to say its name, like in cube. When there are two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking, like in fruit. And what is this column? It's hard to see. Oh. Now, this one is kind of like an oddball because when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. It should say O, fode, but it gives the oo sound. And then there's two words, 1, 2, that did not say the oo, u, or sound. Did you catch those? They were built and build. It gives the I sound. So the two oddballs are build and built. The rest, I think we can figure out if it has the E at the end, two vowels go walking, or O, or gives the sound. Skunk would go there. Trust would go there. Grunt would go there. We've already done this in class, but if you're at home and you haven't got the words, that will be new to you. All right. Good luck at the test. Study hard. Make sure you write them down too. Teal group this week. Let's get the teal color going. So you are looking at the R influenced vowel patterns for your, and Okay, you are, and then you're going to have some consonants with an E at the end. So your, like in curve, and an oddball when you don't hear the your, or. So let's quickly read some of these words and see if we can find it. Pure, surf, purse, hurl, burn, lure, burst, blur, hurt, nurse, churn, church, curl, cure, curse, and curb. Did you hear an oddball? Or your, or your. I didn't hear it. So there might not be an oddball this week, unless when you're in class if we figure it out. But otherwise, it's under the Let me get back to my pencil. The your, or Make sure you write them down in a notebook so you get good practice for the test. I will choose 10 words. Good luck. Okay, the yellow group for this week's spelling test for November 9th, we are looking at the long UR pattern in accented syllables. So the U in the first syllable, second syllable, or oddball. So rooster, is that first or second? Roo, first. So I'm just going to put a number 1. Reduce. The syllable break was right there, so it's in the second. Actually, I'm going to make this a little skinnier so we can show where the breaks are. Cartoon. The break is right there. Is the oo in the first or second? Second. Moody. First or second? First. Toothache. Tooth in the first. Beauty. Is it in the first or second? The first. This would be an oddball because it's not U or oo, u blank e or oo, so oddball. Conclude, oo is in the second. Cocoon, it's in the second. Balloon, second. Doodle, first. Refuse, second. Excuse, second. Shampoo, second. Scooter, first. Cougar, first. Although cougar, does it follow oo or u blank e? Cougar is an oddball as well. So oddball. Useful, first. Tuesday, first. That is also an oddball. It does not have u blank e, it's ue. It should say Tuesday. Raccoon, second. Noodle, first. Pollute, second. Confuse, second. Amuse, second. All right, good luck. Make sure to write these down so that you're getting used to the spelling of them. Some of them are oo, some are u blank e, and then there are 3 oddballs. Beauty. Let me highlight these. Beauty. Cougar. And Tuesday are the oddballs. All right, this week we have for the green group, we have the QW and K spelled QU. So qua and ka are going to be spelled with QU. So let's read the words. Oops, sorry. I'm going to make this a little bigger. First word, quality. Is it the qua or the ka? Qua. That would be the, which column would that be in? Actually, we have the first syllable, second syllable, and the ka sound when it's the ka sound. So quality. We can hear that that is in the first syllable. Quality. So that's going to go in the first. Equipment. Equipment. It's in the second. Concur. It gives the k sound. Does it get concour or concur? It's going to be the K. Inquire. Second syllable. Let's see. I don't know why they're connected. I think that says sequence. That would be the second. Second. Frequent. Second. Mosquito. I hear the K sound. Quadrant. First. Quizzes. First. Sequel. Second. Racket. The K sound. Squirming. First. Banquet. Second. Liquid. Second. Request. Second. Squirrel. First. Equator. Second. Quotation. First. Queasy. First. Qualify. First. So make sure to write these down before the test. Here's another way to practice them. To find the words, the tennis player prepared to serve by raising his, racket. So practice writing the words here. All right, blue group, you're getting to be in some spelling lists that are a little more interesting than what you have been, in my opinion. So the rules are going to be when there's a silent consonant, like in sign, and then when it turns to sounded consonant, signature. Sign, the G is silent. When I change it to signature, now it's sounded. So 2 columns, when it's silent and when it's sounded. Haste and hasten. Which one do you hear the T in? Yep, this one. Hasten, it's silent. Silent, sounded. Limb and limber. Limb and limber. Which one is the silent? Silent. And this is the sounded. Crumb and crumble. You hear the B in the crumble, but it's silent in crumb. How about design and designate? Design and designate. Design, it's silent. Designate. All right, those are your words. Good luck. Make sure to write them down.